It's enormously exciting to be working with York Instruments at this point in time. We have an amazing array of cutting-edge products set to come to market, and I have the privilege of working with one of the best technology teams in the country. York Instruments is a technology company. We invest heavily in emerging technologies, particularly in relation to magnetism. And right now we are in the process of developing our first product, which is an MEG brain scanner called MEGScan.
And rather than look at the structure of the brain, which is what happens with an MRI scanner or a CT scanner, we wanted to look at brain activity. And to do that, you have to use a different technique from conventional brain scanners. And that's what is novel about our machine. It uses sensors that can pick up the activity of the brain from the outside and then take that and then allow us, using sophisticated software, to go back into the brain and see what the activity is at every single location within the brain.
Our scanner is unique because we are able to pick up a much broader, deeper, richer level of data from the brain than ever before. This is partly because we're using a new type of quantum sensor called a HiQuid. That's an improvement on all of the other quantum sensors which have been used in MEG scanners in the past.
So we use new quantum-based sensors. We make our own little quantum devices, and they allow us to look at the brain with unprecedented sensitivity. So that's the first one. The second thing is these sensors have to be kept very cold. So minus 269 degrees centigrade. It's pretty cold. And that's normally done by using liquid helium. That's a very scarce resource, it's an expensive resource, and it's not renewable. So we've made a device that doesn't need liquid helium. We can keep it cold. It's just a sophisticated version of your fridge at home, much colder. And that means that we can deliver this machine to a global market.
We have a very exciting product pipeline which we're looking to roll out over the next 5 to 10 years. Many of those products are already in research and development, and we have a lot of interesting partnerships with universities around the UK.
This year is looking very, very good for us. That is also leading to more investment into this company in York. In fact, I can't tell you what's going on, but I can say we're even looking at our first major international acquisition at the moment.
Being based in York has been fabulous for our company. The connections to London and therefore to international user and patient communities has been stellar. The city is a lovely place to live, and that means it attracts very high caliber employees. We've been on an absolutely precipitous recruiting drive over the last 2 years, and we've been able to pull together a phenomenal team.
We have actively tried to engage with the bio community in York, and even beyond that. I mean, we work with many SMEs, we work with many universities in this region. It's a two-way process. They bring innovation to us, but then we're also going out to get things made for us here in York rather than going internationally.
Science City York's been a fantastic partner for York Instruments. We are looking to develop a fairly large manufacturing base here in York, and it's been so important to have our partners at Science City York working with us to look at what the infrastructure, the logistics, what other needs we might need in order to pull that off.
So I have a really lovely job, because my job is to try and work on where we're going next. And so we're looking at the roadmap of the next product. So this product is very exciting, a brain scanner. It's quite nice to be associated with that. But we have other devices coming along. You know, we're really excited and interested not just to look at the activity of the brain, but the chemistry of the brain. You know, the chemicals that make you happy, make you sad, make you ill. Very, very excited about getting involved in technology related to that, and of course then using that in instruments that are really going to, we believe, help